Okay. I got a little cute box today. Didn't need to do that. Popped open the lid. Got some foam pads. Everything's looking nice and tidy. We got the owner's manual, a tool, which is my favorite type of tool. Then a bunch of screws with some Loctite on them. That's gonna be to assemble the stem or the handlebars. Got the charger, foam pad, foam pad, foam pad. And I'm going to lock the stem in place. Pretty standard with all the scooters. You gotta connect the handlebars, line up everything nice. Get these screws, quickly screw all these in. I'll just pull this out. Here we go. Nice and light. I'm liking that. It's very gray. Not a lot going on here. Okay, we'll give you guys a first look at this. Bell on the left side, brake on the left side, throttle on the right, grips. Cool looking LCD screen. I like the blue. That's pretty cool. Tap it once, hit the lights on, and ooh, it's got a blue flashing light on the side. I would assume that's matched by the other side, which it is. Right here, I like it. Bright tail lights, rear disc brake, motors in the rear wheel, folding mechanism. I've seen this a lot, that type of design. Anyway, there's the unboxing and assembly of the Leqismart scooter. I'll have the full review up in about a week and a half.